there! Are you looking to up your social media game with the power of AI? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you how AI can improve your social media strategy and get you closer to reaching your goals. First off, let's talk about the benefits of using AI for social media. AI can help you save time by automating repetitive tasks like scheduling posts, analyzing data, and even responding to messages. Imagine having a virtual assistant that works around the clock, ensuring your social media is always on point. It's like having an extra pair of hands, but way smarter. Another fantastic benefit is personalization. AI can analyze your audience's behavior and preferences, allowing you to create highly targeted content that resonates with them. This means more engagement, more followers, and ultimately, more conversions. Now, you might be wondering how to get started with AI for social media. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, identify the areas where AI can make the most impact. For example, content creation, audience analysis, or customer support. Next, research the tools and platforms available. There are plenty of AI-powered tools out there, like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social, that can help you streamline your social media efforts. Let's look at some specific examples of AI in action. Example 1. Chatbots. Chatbots, like those powered by tools like ManyChat, can handle customer inquiries 24/7. They're capable of answering frequently asked questions, guiding users through your services, and even making recommendations based on user preferences. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also frees up your time to focus on other important tasks. Example 2. Content creation tools. Platforms like Lately and Copy.ai can generate engaging social media posts, headlines, and even blog content based on your input. These tools use natural language processing to instantly create compelling content, saving you hours of brainstorming and writing. Example 3. Analytics and insights. AI-powered tools like SocialBakers and BrandWatch can analyze your social media performance, identifying trends and patterns that you might miss. They can help you understand which content resonates with your audience and when to post for maximum engagement. This data-driven approach allows you to make smarter decisions and continuously improve your strategy. So there you have it. AI is a must-have for social media managers. By automating tasks, personalizing content, and providing valuable insights, AI can help you save time, boost engagement, and drive better results. Don't be afraid to explore the world of AI and see how it can transform your social media game. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging AI for social media success. See you next time.